everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making corn salad. What kind of summer without corn? Corn is so big part of summer, especially here in South. It's so juicy, so delicious. And today we are going to make salad using raw corn. And for the salad we need corn, obviously, that's the king of the dish. And in this time of the year, the corn is so delicious and sweet, and make sure you get corn from farm. It's not from supermarket. It's so juicy and sweet, and you can eat raw. I always do personally. I love raw corn. Another key ingredient is fermented onions. You can use any onions you wish, red onion, but I hardly recommend to use fermented. As you know me by now, I love fermented food, and I will link below how to make, and it's not the first salad I make using fermented onions. Stay in the refrigerator for many months, and it's so good to use anywhere you like. And it doesn't have that bite as raw onion, which is good. Another ingredient is poblano peppers. Give tiny kick, not really. But I like, and we're going to cook on flame. Red pepper will be raw, some herbs like mint and cilantro, and for the dressing, lemon juice, little bit of honey, mustard, pepper, salt, and olive oil. Very simple recipe, very simple and easy to use. Easy to find ingredients in your kitchen, and this salad can be served as a lunch or dinner. Vegan, delicious, very seasonal. Let's do it. Let's start with prepping corn. I like to peel the corn in summer and use for so many recipes, but sometimes I grill or boil. But try to save the cobs, and I will show you in next video what we can do with it. Move all corn to the bowl. Took just 5 minutes to peel. Next ingredient, red pepper. Pepper resting and ready to peel, nice and charred. That's how I do pretty much all my peppers. We'll move to next step, fermented onions. They smell pickle, just like pickled onion or pickles. They're very pleasant and they sweet. About half cup, and if it comes with a little bit of juice, pickle juice, it's fine. It's even better. Will work as a dressing. And a little bit of juice. We may adjust with juice more if we need it. Another ingredient is herbs. This salad, herbs has big part of the salad. So we need quite a bit of cilantro and mint. If you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley. If you don't like mint, use tarragon. It will be wonderful as well. I make that way as well. And just rough chop. Make sure the poblano pepper, it's rest a little bit, so it will be easier to remove all skin. It's very easy. All char will come off very easy. You see? And for the dressing, we need about 1 teaspoon or so mustard, little bit of salt, half teaspoon, little bit red wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons, you will see, and honey, half teaspoon. For me, it's enough, but if you like sweeter, you can add more honey, but corn, it's so sweet as it is, so I will be less on honey. And juice of 1 lemon. Now gradually add olive oil. Taste. A little bit sour. I like that, but my husband probably prefer more on sweeter side. So tiny bit of more honey. And now time to marry together salad and dressing. And just pour all dressing all over salad and toss it. Salad with creamy corn, it's actually even better next day. So it's wonderful salad to bring for your next potluck. So if you make ahead of time, save your time, obviously. And it's wonderful to serve next to grilled chicken or grilled shrimp. That's what I like to do in summer for light dinner. Also as a lunch, just beautiful, delicious and very light in hot days lunch. That's what I like to do. And remember, save please this carbs and we'll make delicious stock. And I will talk about in next video what we're going to do and how to make it. As part of the video to taste. Very fun salad. It can surprise many guests. The fragrant herbs, fresh juicy sweet creamy corn along with tiny pickled onions. It's so good, and poblano peppers give tiny bit of kick. It's good. The only thing missing, drizzle a little bit extra with olive oil and some more black pepper and a little bit of salt. Now, here you go. Beautiful, delicious, easy salad for any occasion, lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoy this video and give me like and share with your friends and subscribe if you haven't. See you next time. Bye.